In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a collection to your Redbubble account. So the first thing that you would like to do, of course, is just go and open whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually using Brave. But of course, in your case, you can use any other browser, could be possibly working for you, or whatever browser you have downloaded in your PC. It could be Google Chrome, it could be Opera, Microsoft's Edge, Firefox, even Internet Explorer if it's working for you. So, whenever you open your browser, just go to this URL section and simply type redbubble.com and hit the enter button, and that should take you to this page, which is going to be your home screen or your main screen on the Redbubble website. So here you'll have simply to click on login so you can log in into your account if you have an account, and simply enter your email username and then password so you can log in into your account. If you don't have an account, you'll have to go and click on sign up so you can create an account. As you can see, you can create an account as a customer or as an artist. So choose whatever suits you, then simply enter your email, username, and password, and then click on sign up. So once you're logged in or you create your account, you'll find yourself here in this home screen of the Redbubble. Here you'll find a lot of products for yourself in this For You page. So as I said at the beginning of this tutorial, we would like to add a collection. And of course, if you want to do that, simply go to your accounts at the top right corner, then simply click on Manage Portfolio. Once you head to your Manage Portfolio page, make sure to select this collection option and not works. And you can do so by marking the checkbox on each of the works you want to add. So as you can see for me, no collections found yet. So as you can see here, as we said, we have no collection. So click back on works. Sorry. Check mark this as an example. And once you check the works that you want to add in collection, of course, you'll find this new toolbar appearing to you. Click on collection and simply add a new collection by naming it as an example, name it test, click on add, and here we are, we have a new collection. So now if I go to collection, I'll find this in my collection. It will just appear right away. It's just a bug, it's not appearing, so don't worry about that. You can even select this edit and choose the design you would like to like if you want, and even edit it and even delete it if you want. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.